Good morning to all my dear students. Writing kan zirdona writing a hand 5 marks po tuna pandemica kan course achu poster notice invitation formal and informal ani heta tang hian pahni alo kalanga pakhat jok thlanturin aro in sop chuak don ani ti chuan poster lo en masaila. Poster is usually a large printed sheet that often contain pictures and is posted in a public place as to promote something. Poster chu hlai taka print ani atin copy tam taka chuak ani boka pictures te oma wantlang ma chhop chhuwa tura siam ani tin promote kan ti hi chu kan support zong atipo anyang chu. Design a poster for organization using a guidelines given below. Organization ati chu thokho pol ti soina ni a khang khan poster an siam china using a guidelines. Give a poster an appropriate title, mention its venue, date and time of the event. Khang poster isiam chu ahun ani date time chubaka title nen hengthi poster a chuan itar lang turani. Create awareness to inform and educate the public about the issues. Poster kan siam hian kan chia tur pakhat chu information ti ani a information kan ti chu entirnan in school khanin musical concert in lo siam dona ta chuan date time place kha chiang takin ipedon ti nani tin educate the public khan ti hi chu entirnan thingphun tur ti te cleanliness lampang te in lo bot saitan wantlang zirtirna tur thil an sian reng tur ka ilo chhop chhuaka khang kha poster a in mang thei bokani henga hian date te angai lova ama ero chu box a in siam vekanga poster reng hi 5 fel takin tin zia chu angai lowa toite te a omzenia zia tur ani. Provide clear do's and don'ts ti ania athena chuan hei a ti tur te in chhop chhuaka nga ti lo tur te poida theya. Have slogan which are catchy and easily drawn attention. Slogan te isiam theya slogan chu toy fel tak moi taka mi te shian reng tura chhop chhuaka ani. Indicate attractively laid out text. You may use color and drawing to embellish it. Ti chuan I poster a chuan in thil siam kha a size te pon yanga izia dan style anga kha moi takin mi te hip thei ber turin siamla tin color te drawing te po ati moinan I mang thei chu I poster siam dan torani tahan lo enila. Say no to plastic. Ti chungchang kha poster lo siam ta plastic man that lo zia kha non biodegradable. Burning causes air pollution. Dumping polybags pollutes environment. Toxic chemical cause cancer. Hengi science izirka I apply donani. Tian English apply thei boka. Protect the environment. Stay healthy. Tite inda tila. Ti chuan do's ho kha ti tur ho ka tahanania ida a ti lo tur ho don'ts ho kha I mention tel bok theya. Use engei ti tur chu paper bag, jute bags, cloth bag. Hengi imantir donani. Chuan chumi athu chwa tu chu issued my environment club Ambedkar Memorial School Ashok Vihar New Delhi adang lo en leila cleanliness chungchanga cleanliness campaign keep your colony clean. Chon title IPA cleanliness of the colony is the duty of each one of us. Advantage of clean surrounding, safety from disease, looks impressive, civilized way of living, good for healthy environment, good examples for other to emulate. Ti chu hei she lakate min veng theya amoya tin achangka nga nundan te ti kha irem khomani. Let us get together for a cleanliness drive. Ti kha slogan isiama issued by Residents Welfare Association Mayor Vihar Delhi President RWA. Hei hi chu school anilawa wantlang ina an siam kha ania tiang zong po hana siam theya azone ina inge azo anga kha chani tumanga aron tel lo chon heng te po atu langa tel vek thei tur ani hei iti dan tur kalmang chu ani. Tin poster chidang le soile ila faith anti a faith chu sumtuak na chi khatania schoolin emo tu point na an organize mi pui an ko khom na sumtuak na ta na thil anti te ani a. Faith organized by St. John School Agra in the aid of earthquake victim. Earthquake chu lir nging tuarte chan puinan St. John School Agra hian an buat saya chon anile a date time place ada veka school campus ati te chon engeng ti don fancy dress gymnastics merry-go-rounds snack stalls eitur te pon buat sai dona gun contest electronic games ti te lucky draw lucky ticket te pon buat sai dona tina to pa hian come all ti te ticket omdon ti soi boka help a noble cause midang chan puinan ron pen chuak role ti kha ada bokani ato pa hian midang attract thei turin handwriting azia po cheneliana chenati a amoi thei ang ber turin asiamani adang kan in leang. Your school is organizing a musical concert. Make an attractive poster inviting people to attend the concert. Mention all necessary details. In school in musical concert in siam dona poster siam roti a atul zong detail da roti ani boka tihan isiam ta color ti kan pe a he picture te kan da a han guide nan concert exclamatory mark da come on Govt Mizo School is organizing a gospel musical concert on date time place sa Oma School Auditorium atite at andarzat kan da seats te atleem seats are limited midang ko khom nan khan kan han da then entry fee te famous artists are performing on stage hari ron man moro ti te chuan guitar te kan han da vela mi a hip theinan hengi ingai tu ana khan ida tur chu midang Zirtirna ang zongin iko khomani heta khan kan soi to a midang educate na a omboka ti khan poster kha azo na ina azo dan kha zung ngai to aturani eng ang zongin nge ka ziang te kharil ro ipedonani nang mani assignment hi lo en leila number 1 a chuan COVID-19 a dreaded disease is spreading its tentacles throughout the world. However, it can be controlled through education. Design an attractive poster educating the public. COVID-19 thi ngam natna tentacles so hi azungza min khovela zam chwaka mase education in a control theyani ti kha poster siam ro ti ani public kha educate ro van tlang shil shero poster siam ang nal divin han siam la eng tin nge angai to chwa thiam jok eng ti nge idea anei jok ti khop tur khan ron siam chwak donani mase khatun lovin tamlu tukin zia lo turania azia kha min kalpa an siar mai thei turin lian thatokin isiamang pakhat le hi your school is organizing a science exhibition in your school campus. Make an attractive poster inviting other school to attend the exhibition. Mention all necessary details. Hey pohi in school in science exhibition asiam dona in school campus a hey chu amun kha soya a date le time chu ikuta oma poster siamla school dang local turin somro ti kha school dang kha a hip theyang per turin isiamang I handwriting te I design ate kha chuan mention all necessary details so atul zong zong daro ti kha ni meya he hi idea I mang to donani khanal takin izia kanga boxin da zel tur box kha teru tuk tur ni lo alian tuk tur ni lo nal takin izia kanga in notebook one page ha I manga nga to velang notice hilo en leila. What is a notice writing? Enge notice writing chu notice writing is a formal means of communication. Notice writing chu thu zaum taka Zirtirna ania. The purpose of writing notice is to bring to notice a certain piece of information to a group of people. Ashe tur te na zaum taka Zirtirna ania. They are generally pinned in any common area where the concerned people can read it. Ashe tur te na chiang takhan Zirtirna mun lun lai tak a tarlan tura siam ani. Notice kan zia don chuan enge Zirtirpui moni ang important points in leila. A notice is written in the third person though you may sometimes use we or you but never I. Notice kan zia hian third person in kan ziak theya achang chuan we le you po kan mang theya ma se I hi ti ngai reng lo turani. Notice chu box chu nga ida turani omzia chu irin kwal turani. Though brief, it must contain complete information. Toy fel takin Zirtirna kha kimchang taka tarlan turani. It must have the name of the writer. Notice siam tu ming kha atopa khan tarlan tur ani. Sample hilaw enila tahian school ming hi achung bera o mga sumizo notice ti ania notice noi zone sira veila ma hian date da turani ti chuan title notice khan engchung change tarlan tum silver jubilee celebration. Silver jubilee chu komsom ni pangalom na kha school khana nei dona khami chung chang notice kha isiam dona ni he hi theng hin lawila heng hi half marks theu te aputhina atopa ming tu ming in nge notice siam ti entirnan atopa hian ming notice siam tu hi alang boka heng hian ka pufika chu wangin a omna hi a format hi ti hian theng hi lo turani hey in textbook a in pek ang ani a lo enila. On the occasion of the silver jubilee celebration of the school, the cultural club has organized an inter-school competition in one act play as per details given below. Silver jubilee celebration school a man turani a cultural club kha school in adina takhan an organize ani khamite khan one act play as per details given below. Drama toy chanturani in ti siak turani chu chuan date time place venue hi place ti nania chief guest omdona last date for the receipt of entry forms tel du kha entry form pek turani a chu a date ta buka atopa ming notice kan siam hian date pathum om thina chumi om zia chu notice tar chhuani le eng function nge om don function om ni ming pek lu ni last date om thina chung chu date pathum kha a om angai thina ni. Adang lo en leila. You are George, the head boy of your school. You attended a meeting with the headmaster and staff of your school to discuss about the music and dance program that will be prepared for annual function. George, head boy in school. Meeting ka headmaster tele staff tenen khan in soy hawa in school khan in program om dona music le dance. Ta chuanin annual function ata in prepare donani chu mi chungchang chu notice siamla 50 words ai tamlovin students te tel turin anon participate theine turin notice siam ro ti khani 50 words ai tamlo kan ti hianin avai hian ichiaranga school ming date notice tile title tel lo hian 50 words ai na tam turani lo chumi omzia chu ithil soi tur kha soinon lo tur ingai thuanga sentence ka toy theang berin Zirtirna fel faide u kha isia bangai awangin toy si kim si in siam mizirdon tina ni chu notice siam tur hian teacher te emo principal headmaster kher angai chuang lova school then kata chon no pang te kha mo phurna an pe a chan vote an siama ti chuan no pang te kha an mo phurna ang khan notice kha an siam thin bok ani assignment hi lo enila in lo ti vet atan Zopar is a head girl of Zozam School, Aizol. Zopar hi head girl ania his school pumpuya ho tu angathan. The principal of her school has asked her to put up a notice asking house captain to submit the names of volunteer for safe water campaign. Principal kanin notice yam turinati a house captain te shiatir na turani again shiatirang safe water campaign ni turani a volunteer an mamo ani for which a march is to be held on 20th June 2017. March tu kongzo turani tuiren chungchang kongzo ni turani chu write a notice in not more than 50 words hi 2017 matric exam lo chwa khani hanjak ve chinte ule pani na hi you are zid sang a secretary of the cultural club of his school Ropili ani memorial school Aizol hi zir sang ini a secretary club thangani club an siama teacher poni theya no pang poni theya secretary kha shatir a intar lang chuang lawa the school is organizing cheilam competition for students school in cheilam anin ti siak donani draft a suitable notice in about 50 words inviting students to participate it's 150 words item lovin no pangte ron participate turin ron tel turin som na kha iziak donani notice isiamang invent all necessary details hepo date time place kha iziak le ang ama kan soyang khan notice a hian date pathum te hi omtlang puya tarlan ni program omni le mingpek lu ni kha da tur ani ti chuan hanjiak ve ro ule formal and informal invitation we'll start with the formal invitation. Let us try to understand what is formal invitation. Formal invitation follows strict rules that should be followed. Formal invitation consirdona strict rules ti dan bi ka oma they are used in formal events such as weddings, anniversaries, etc. Formal event chu puithu de ulek program omin entirnan innei nate le anniversary chu innei champate mo birthday pian champate kan lom donin formal invitation kha kan mangdona akat te po kha thade ulek angai thina felfai taka azia dan bi ka kha kan zir donani sample lo enila tihan arem dan te po hi nal de ulek arem dan hi oma lo chiarta ila Mrs. and Dr. Frank Solomon request the pleasure of the company of Mrs. and Professor Alrind Emmanuel. Hey hi asom tu the Mrs. and Dr. Frank Solomon ani a ti chuan asom ate hi helai kan underline hi ni engatan ngi an som on the auspicious occasion of the birthday celebration of their son Andrew at their residence on Sunday 26 November at 8 o'clock. Birthday celebration atan an soma an fa birthday nia kumengzan nge ni antar lang lem lowa anlom na mun tur chu at their residence an in ani a date le time le adar zaten da veka ti hian atopa hian RSVP 23rd Dezel Bangla RK Road le telephone number a oma formal invitation hi aza oma an uluk boka attention hotel aten order china ei tur an order kha athlon lo nan vashia tir ngai ni ikal don le don lo kha chu RSVP ani a chiang zokin lo enila RSVP meaning the abbreviation RSVP comes from the French phrase répondez s'il vous plaît which means please reply or please respond ikal don le don lo kha ishia tir don ni chu an lo in sen thon lo nan sample dang lo en le ila your grandparents have been married for 50 years they plan to celebrate their anniversary and your grandfather has asked you to draft a formal invitation card draft a formal invitation mentioning all necessary details iputika anin nei champa kumsom nga na an lo thlenga lom antuma ipuin an invitation akha draft turin ati cheni formal invitation ka ta siam turin chu han siam te le ti ni ta tin mentioning all necessary details so atul zongjong time place vela kha isiam donani tihan isiamanga hello phone siam theitawai sample ania golden jubilee ti kalian te ulekin kanda a Mr. and Mrs. John Ralte hi iwa som turate nia please join us for the anniversary celebration honoring Malsomi and Lomzwala hey ipile puming khania on day time place khoi ange Aijal club ti hi aming ania adarzat kanda a treasury square hi address kanda ngalani hosted by the family nan lom sakto na John RSVP ni sina kan soito a répondez s'il vous plaît chan na tur kha kal don le don lo kha ishat tir don hi sample dang le chu ani tihian en ula pakhat ne nen khan tong kamte ngun takin en ula tiang hian in siam ve don nia assignment kha lo en le ila. Number 1, imagine you are Michael John. Write a formal invitation to your colleagues Mr. Charles Davis and his wife to dinner on Friday 23rd November at 8 o'clock. Hey, workbook page 35 ami in question khani a Michael John ini a ithopui pa Mr. Charles Davis ale anupui kha dinner a isom don ani time le a date hi chu a pe a abak zong chu ingai thwa chuak don ani amun tur te kha he hi naldewin hanjiak ro le pakhat le hi loziak le bokla. Imagine you are John Jacobs. You are planning to celebrate your wedding anniversary. John Jacobs ini a wedding anniversary chu idin nei champha kha alo thlenga ilom don ani. Invite your friends Mr. Brown and his wife to dinner on Friday 13th April at 8 o'clock at your residence. Your residence is in ina isom dona thian pa Mr. Brown le anupui khan dinner atan chumi som na chu draft a formal invitation to siam don ani he hi mak nga pu in 2020 matric exam a khan local to ani ti chuan nangma nal dewin han siam vele te le. Informal invitation lo en le ila. The main characteristics of informal invitations are it is written in the first person I or we. The sender's address is written as usual but the receiver's address is not mentioned. Heta asoi chu informal hi formal nen khan ain angdon lawa. Informal hi chuanin first person I we athon tu kha nangma thonani don wangin I amo in chung kwang po in we te pui mang theya chuan address kha pangai angin the sender's address is written as usual ati chu lekathon pangai ang hian I address kha achungai da don ani masi ivathonate receiver's address a ivathonate address so da kherangai lo he hi chu a sample lo enila. You are Sarah Lalremroate. You are planning to celebrate your birthday. Write an informal invitation to your friend. Sarah Lalremroate ini a I birthday lom dona informal invitation thon roti ani a nichina kan soi ang agaira khan nangma address kha iziang ma saperanga chunga han chon space ida anga informal invitation hi informal letter nen khan in anna aneya ama in class 9 a khan in zirto a ama sabera hianin I address ida a chumizwa date space akara hi chinchia la chan so heng hian marks apuveka mark chan ve ke los zel don ani arem dan a format hi iti diklo chuan ti chuan iwa so mate kha ida le ta a space ida le boka athu hi I imangmaya. I would be delighted if you could join me for dinner at Zamzo restaurant Lunglei to celebrate my birthday on 18th December 2021 at 7 p.m. Hey po toy fel takin khoi huna nge khoi ave nga nge darza time kha iziang ngala John space ida le a I hope you will be able to join me in this celebration. John space ida le nga with warm regards. John iming atopa khanida don ni ti chuan box sa isiam le thlapang sample dang lo en le ila. Your father has constructed a new house at 27B Durklang Leitan Aizol. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to the housewarming ceremony. You are Damien. Ipain inthara sa a amun hi address ada a ithian pa som la housewarming chu intharlom na ceremony chu hun ser kha inei don boka ti chuan hetihan iziak chan le ta nangma address in address ida a space ida a date ania space ida le a isom tur kha dear Dominic space ida le ang hengi apoimo kati to kha mark aputheva ida dan hi adik lo chuan ba kilos don ani exam na khan. I invite you to the housewarming ceremony of our newly constructed house at the address given above. Kan intharlom tura ka som chia address achunga kasi ang hian ti a. The inauguration ceremony will begin at 6 p.m. followed by lunch at 7 p.m. on 15 February 2021. Atay ma kha I mention veka taruka hun sera o mga ti chuan dinner da sariani zui turani ti kha isoya ade dele akuma khais davek bokani. Please do join us on this auspicious day ti khai dalia space da anga yours sincerely space dalia Damien ti hian boxa isiam le don ani. Sample yen to atang khan assignment hi. Number 1, imagine you are sincere. Write an informal letter of invitation in about 50 words to your friend Chapari inviting her to attend your birthday party at your residence on Friday 12th April at 5 p.m. Hey 2019 matric exam lo chwa khania tiang hi hanjiak vele la informal letter Chapari ne na hian ziak la engtan nge isomang I birthday khoigin lomang in ina in lom dona a time le a date hi apisa ani. Number 2 en le ila. Imagine you are David Abraham. Write an informal letter of invitation to your friend Jerry Thomas to join you at a tea party at your residence in Gabby Road at 6 o'clock on 17 June. Hey workbook page number 36 question na da sa kha ania. Hey po hi a sample en chungin chan han tumla David Abraham ni a informal invitation hi ithian ne na thonla ithian chu Jerry Thomas ani engtan ngi somdon tea party khoya in ina in address ida boka ada chin zong hi mang ada lo zong khanang ban isiam ve don ani tian thadivin a sample en chung khan naldewin han siam ve ro le. Have a good day. Thank you.